As Delhi heads to the polls, Prime Minister Modi is set to take a holy dip at Kumbh in Prayagraj Triveni Sangam tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow also marks a crucial day in the Mahakumbh Mela, marking the observance of Magh Ashtami and Bhishma Ashtami. Now, the dip is scheduled between 11 and 11:30 a.m. But during the visit, Prime Minister Modi is expected to interact with saints and also review the arrangements made for the millions of pilgrims attending the Mahakumbh 2025. Let's also tell you, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is expected to personally welcome Prime Minister Modi. Meanwhile, the opposition has reacted to the timing of Prime Minister's visit to the Mahakumbh, saying that in keeping in mind, that is, with the Model Code of Conduct, the Prime Minister cannot campaign when Delhi votes tomorrow. So the Prime Minister will ensure another photo opportunity at Kumbh. Listen in.
कल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जो हैं कुंभ जाने वाले हैं।
प्रधानमंत्री जी कल कुंभ जाएंगे क्योंकि दिल्ली में वोट पड़ रहा होगा। आप उनका पूरा जीवन व्रत उठा के देख लें। जब कहीं वोटिंग होती है, चुनाव प्रचार नहीं कर पाते, तो कोई न कोई ऐसा करेंगे और सुबह से बस फोटो सेशन उनका चलता रहेगा, क्योंकि दिल्ली में लोगों को प्रभावित करने का प्रयास करेंगे। लेकिन मोदी जी, कुछ नहीं होने वाला। आप जाओ, वहां जरूर जाओ, लेकिन दिल्ली आपके हाथ से निकल चुका है। आम आदमी पार्टी के हाथ से भी निकल चुका है। कांग्रेस पार्टी सरकार बनाने जा रही है।
सारे अधिकारी वहीं लगे रहते हैं कि वीआईपी की लेन ठीक बनी रहे, अखाड़े वालों का ठीक बना रहे, और आम जनता जो जा रही है वो चाहे डूबे मरे उछले, कोई इनका वास्ता नहीं रहता। अब ये प्रधानमंत्री पर निर्भर करता है, सोचें वो जाना चाहिए कि नहीं जाना चाहिए। इतनी बड़ी त्रासदी हो गई, और जाएं तो उन लोगों से भी मिले जिनके लोग खो गए हैं, जो मारे मारे घूम रहे हैं, और गंगा का वो स्वरूप भी देखें जहां नहाने के लिए जाने से पहले इतने इतने पैरों तक कीचड़ में घुस जाते हो, महिलाएं फंस जाती तो लोग खींच के निकाल के गंगा तक ले जाते। वो जगह भी देखें जाके।
All right. Politically speaking, of course, the reactions that we heard of SP Ram Gopal Yadav as well as Congress Pramod Tiwari, as far as the timing of this is concerned, let's tell you essentially what is happening here. Mahakumbh, of course, continues to take place in Prayagraj, but February 5th, that is tomorrow, is an auspicious event. Having said that, Prime Minister is going to be taking a dip at the Triveni Sangam. But why this is politically raised several questions is considering the fact that Delhi citizens will also be voting tomorrow. And having said that, the opposition is saying that this would be an opportunity in terms of not just a photo opportunity for the Prime Minister, but also how this could be a violation of the Model Code of Conduct concerning the fact that Prime Minister's visit is linked to the Delhi polls is what is being alleged here. Clearly, them questioning the Prime Minister's timing of visit. Now, this is the third Amrit Snan as well, which will take place tomorrow. So it's a significant day. But having said that, with all that has really panned out in the past couple of days, including the unfortunate incident of the stampede that took place. Remember, at least 30 people had died, which after we did see opposition trade guns, not just at the Prime Minister, but also with the way the UP CM, that is Yogi Adityanath as well, and the administration for what really panned out there. And right after we saw how Rahul Gandhi did rake up the same in the parliament as well. And now we're looking at an aspect of how, where Prime Minister Modi is going to be attending the Triveni Sangam tomorrow for that auspicious event of at the Mahakumbh Mela, the opposition clearly questioning the same. All right, we'll continue to track that, but for now, we'll leave it at that.